Did you see that? What's going on, bitches? I am back with another one. Today I have the Air Max 1 Premium Crepe Hemp, and the official colorway is medium brown mint foam. Now it comes in this standard red box with some standard tissue paper, and under the tissue paper you have the sneakers themselves. But surprisingly, no extra pair of laces. I mean, like I said, it is a premium release. It comes with a premium price tag as well. And at this point, man, I'm going to talk about the quality in just a minute. But I gotta let you guys know, I've seen some pictures online as well, on Reddit especially. And my pair also has these quality control issues. Be ready for when you do receive your pair, or if you already received your pair, have a look at it. These sneakers seem to suffer from quality control issues. Now, I don't know why, but look at this. I mean, I've seen far worse, right? My pair is just, it's fine. I mean, it's nothing to cry about. I think that's a bit of a glue stain. I have some more stains on the other pair as well, but I've seen far worse, man. I mean, there was some pictures on Reddit. But yeah, just be aware of that and be ready for when you do receive your pair. But let's get back to the sneaker, man. I mean, this sneaker is... I mean, for me personally, this is like a 10 out of 10 sneaker. This is a solid 10 out of 10. The materials, the quality, the craftsmanship, everything is just so nice on this one, man. I mean, look at the hemp. You have different type of suedes here and there. You have a bit of canvas material as well. And the mint foam swoosh, premium leather. Everything is just so nice, man. I mean, this entire tongue is made from this hemp material. Everywhere you touch, everywhere you see, it's just premium materials. Very nicely put together. I am in love with this colorway, man. Look at this colorway. The mint foam color, I'm not sure, I mean, this looks like a teal, you know, like a turquoise kind of color. It just makes this sneaker for me. I already love the browns, you know, I love brown shoes, I love brown sneakers, but adding that mint foam color to this, fantastic, man, fantastic. Now here are the outsoles, the famous Crepe outsoles. It's different, it stands out, you know, it's not like every other Air Max 1, but yeah, I think these are just fantastic. The only thing I would suggest is keep away from mud and rain if possible, because of the suede, obviously, and the light colored hemp material, man. I'm not sure how easy that's going to be to clean, how easy it is to keep clean. I just don't know, man. I mean, only time will tell. And here's the other pair. Like I said, I have more marks on this one, on the midsole, on the upper as well. But I'm just telling you guys to be aware, you know, for when you do receive your sneaker, just keep an eye on it. It's not the end of the world, you know, it's not bad enough for me not to wear these. Obviously, I am going to wear these. These are for my personal collection, not for resale. This is for me, man. I mean, I'm going to keep this one 100%. When I tell you guys about the quality, the actual quality of the sneaker, you know, sometimes I keep going on and on about how nice this leather is, how nice the suede is, but you really need to have it in hand to be able to appreciate this. I'm not 100% certain on how well it comes through the camera, you know, how well you guys can see it, but the quality is, it's different, I'm telling you. If you're considering copping these, I would 100% suggest you to go for it now. Don't hesitate, if you have the means, of course. If you have the money, I wouldn't hesitate, because if the price does go up, it won't be nice. That's all I can tell you. Anyways, guys, let's carry on with the on feet. But for now, it's sitting at retail. I mean, a lot of retailers still have these in a few sizes, but looking at StockX, for example, I mean, they're selling below retail at the moment, believe it or not. I mean, I paid 165 for these, and the last sale on StockX is at £136 for my size, I believe that is. The recent sales, they're a bit up and down, man, but nothing crazy. Nothing has been exceeding the... There were a few sales at a little bit higher than retail. For example, 195, 188. But most of the sales are below retail. 145, 132. There's a few at retail as well. For example, 166, 151. But like I said, man, at the moment it's sitting very well. And this is a good thing, man. I mean, a lot of people are gonna have the chance to cop these. And like I said earlier, these are still sitting at a few retailers. You can still cop them, man. Still a few sizes left here and there. For example, Offspring still has a few sizes left. Mr. Porter still has a few sizes left. Especially like a 7 or a 15. A size 15. Who the fuck wears a size 15, man? On feet, these are fantastic. They look amazing. They're very comfortable, very true to size. Just like any other Air Max 1 I've had so far. Even the recent women's release Air Max 1s, the tall yellows, they just fit exactly the same. For me personally, I'm not sure about you guys, but for me, all the Air Max I've tried on so far fit 100% true to size. Very, very comfortable pair of sneakers, man. So because it is a thing, and we just can't skip this video without doing a crease test, here it is, guys. And I just want to clear this up, man. You're not gonna have any problems with these whatsoever. Creasing wise, these will be perfectly fine. No issues here at all. And that's obviously due to the materials that I used. This is a type of sneaker that seems to go well with everything. Cargos, jeans, joggers, shorts, you name it. All right, and if you're looking for a sneaker like that, man, this is the one to go for. I'm not suggesting this specific colorway, but in Air Max 1, it's one of those, man. You just can't go wrong with them. So anyways, guys, that's it for today. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, do let me know below, and I will see you bitches on the next one.